Hello ladies and gentlemen, especially ladies, today because I've got something for you. I'm gonna share with you my H&M haul, which I really love, and I'm gonna keep all the dresses and clothes I bought legit. So I hope you enjoy it. If you like my video, you can give it a like, thumbs up, and thank you for subscribing, whoever subscribed to my channel. And let's get on to it. So today I've got a few dresses on for you, and as the first one I want to show you this one. I love this so much. I've been wearing it so many times. It's beautiful. I love everything about it. This comes also in black and green. I think I'm gonna get another one in black and green as well, because I love it so much. So it's got a little frills there and at the bottom, and it's a wrap dress. So you can wrap it on this side and also the other side. And what I love about this is you can actually adjust it. So whatever your size are now, in a few years, whether you lose weight or put on weight, in case you don't keep the same weight, you can just adjust it and it's just gonna fit you same, I think. So that's what I love about it. So you can keep it for many years and it's gonna be just as good. So it comes with the you can you can fasten it with the eye and a hook there as well. So it's gonna keep in place there. It's got adjustable straps as well. And I feel like Jennifer Lopez in Versace dress in it. What do you think, guys? Also, with this dress I can wear this. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? I absolutely love this hat. The only problem I have with this, it's too hot on the sun underneath. So it gives you good protection because it doesn't have a hole in there, but it's really hot underneath when I was wearing it. Okay, I'm back with another dress I want to show you. I absolutely love this pattern as well. So I'm showing you all the best dresses I got. First, my favorites. This dress you can wear also like this. If it's too hot, you can sunbathe your shoulders, and so you can wear it a few different ways. You can see I'm size about 14, 16 or size L, and this one is size L, and the first one was size L as well. And I absolutely love this dress. What do you think, guys? The pattern is so beautiful. One of my most beautiful dresses. So good. So you can wear it like that, or you can wear it like that. And it's got like little bow here as well, and those things. And another dress that I absolutely love is this yellow satin dress. I love it so much. I think you can wear it on special occasions as well, same as on the daytime when it's nice hot weather. I just love this dress. It's got quite a low V-neck, but it's very nice for a curvy figure. I know I should lose a few pounds, but you know, a few kilos there and there, it's okay. I'm working on it. I embrace my curves while I can. And this dress doesn't have straps adjustable, so you can't adjust the straps, but it's okay, it will do. So I love the pattern on it, it's very summery, beautiful. And those frills at the bottom, I love them. What do you think about these guys? This is another dress I absolutely love for everyday wear. And this color is just my color as well. I've got so many favorite colors, but this one is just beautiful floral dress. Sits quite nicely and it's stretchy on the top there. You can wear it like this as well, same like the other dress, and I love it. It's just perfect for everyday wear. You want to go shopping or anything, looking beautiful. This is size L, and usually in H&M I'm size L, but with H&M you just don't know with the sizes. So sometimes I'm even size M or even S. I don't know how it happens, but it just depends on the style, I guess. But this is size L. I'm usually size L. Now, this is also amazing dress for a hot weather. What I love about it is you can adjust the straps and it just like put it on and go. So it's basically slip on, slip in a dress. That's what it looks like. I love those frills. I'm obsessed with frills in dresses somehow. So that's another summer dress. I absolutely love the pattern. Very nice, summery. This dress I got for work because it's quite decent, and at work we have to wear kind of uniform in black and white. So this is perfect. It covers everything it needs to cover, and it's quite light. You know, it's quite light, and it's not heavy. Still nice, airy in the hot weather, sunny weather. So I like that it's got long sleeves, so I'm not too cautious about it. And yeah, it's got belt from the same textile, and I kind of like pattern. It's really nice. And it's really long to my ankles. Then I got myself these gorgeous linen trousers, which is perfect length for me. I'm 5 feet 2 inches or 157 centimeters. So this is perfect length for me. Soon starting dancing here. So with this I matched it with this gorgeous blouse. I love this pattern. I love everything about this. It's so light, its material is so good, textile is so good. You can wear it also like with the bow as well. So good, you know, for summer, perfect. my surprise, I've got the same blouse in white because I love it so much. It's so airy, so light, the material is just amazing. So yeah, I got 2 of them. Who else is like this? If they like something, they get 2 of them. You like some items and then you get 2 of the different colors or sizes. This is size L, the other one is size S. So it just depends. I think for white you need it more like airy. Yeah, it doesn't need to be too much tight like on your body. The same, you can wear it with the bow, or you can just wear it like this. Just free. And I also got these shorts. Somehow this shorts really fits me. I'm not a fan of shorts, but these shorts looks like made for me. They look great, basically. Little hat as well, and you're ready to go. Came back from mine. It was really nice. Then another dress, and this dress, when I saw it, my heart went boom, 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 boom. I just love the pattern. That's just me. The only thing is about this dress, I'm not sure about this. I think it's a bit too revealing, and I may wear it without bra, but I don't know. What do you think, guys? I think it's a bit too much. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but it's just a shame. It's just a little bit, yeah. But otherwise, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm just not sure about the V-neck, but otherwise it's great. I love this dress. It's very long and material is so light. Now can you see the difference, guys? What the difference now is I took my bra off, so I have no bra underneath. So I don't know if I should wear it without bra or with bra. If you can, just comment underneath and let me know. Put in comments, with bra, without bra. I don't know, with or without. I don't know, guys, what to do. Is it too revealing or is it not? Now this dress is for work. It's very long to the bottom of my ankles, and I love this dress, but I absolutely love how it stands and how it fits on the body. The only thing is it's not very light. You feel it on material, is not like very airy, but otherwise I love how it's made. You can put it down as well. You can wear it like this. It's beautiful. They've got it also in yellow and white. I tried both. Yellow was a little bit like too much yellow for me. Like, ooh, you're in the sun, yellow sun. And then white was good, but I think it didn't fit me so much. Now this is the last dress, but completely last. I still got one more thing, one more item to show you. I love this dress. There is only one thing I have a problem with for work. I feel uncomfortable when the V-neck is too low, so what I actually did, this wasn't there originally, this black input wasn't there, so what I did, I sewed in the black textile in there, because otherwise I felt like my boobs are popping out, which we don't want, right? So for work I had to do this. For outside, going out, it probably would be okay if it was that low, but not for my work, so that's what I did. So this black thing wasn't there, so imagine it without this. But otherwise I love this dress. It fits nicely, really nicely everywhere. It just hugs you. It's just really nice. The textile is so comfy, you don't need to iron it. Some of the maybe 2-3 items you need to iron that I showed you, but otherwise very good material for everything. So it actually isn't wrapped, but it looks like it is. It's got a little logo there, but it's not actually wrapped. It's just like for like detail. But you just slip in it and that's it, you go. So that's for work also. I've got this, and this is in size S. You will be very surprised with the sizes sometimes in H&M. You can wear it in summer with anything. I was missing this in my wardrobe, and now I got it. My arms are really short, so I have to do that. I have to put them shorter. But yeah, I love this one. It goes with everything actually. So yeah. I love this jacket. So normally I'm size L, but this is size S. And it still fits me perfectly. Not sure about the head, maybe not with this, maybe without this. So you can have it even like summer dress, you don't have to bother with this that I did, but the V-neck will be really low. But yeah, even not for work, even just for just going out, it would be nice. But me at work we have to wear it black and white, so that's why. So I think that's it now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think of my outfits, of my dresses. That's all my haul, guys, all my dresses. If you liked any, let me know, put me a comment so I know what you think. Let me know if you bought anything nice from H&M this year. What do you think? I think this year they got really nice selection of the clothes. I hope you have a nice summer, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. If you like this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.